This morning at Primo call, some robber draw down upon taxi man and pull over upon me and rob me and take one of our car and we chase him and catch him up on the part, Bloomsbury part. And next one I've gone, I'll bring in one of them and then get the next second one and bring him in. But right now the two car they mash up because they're running up in the next policeman car right after the two taxi man car and the policeman one. So and one of the gunman up on the run right now and we still look for him.
Me hear one of them move towards me and say, where the money there? Where the money there? So me look for him good and I say, where am I dealing? And he say, where the money there? Me still not pay him no mind but the next one push off to me now. I come to me now. So at some me realize say a serious thing. So me take up the pan with the money and give him it. And him say, where the money there? Him say, I know the money this. So me say, at this me have no more money. And him take up the cigarette out I with the money and put on it back on the table and go in my pocket and search my pocket and take out everything out of my 4 pocket where me have. Me have take from it. And the gun, I rob the girl with the gun, you know, and put the gun in the baby face. Show the baby I make nice, then take away lunch pan and start make nice. Then put the gun in the baby face and tell the mother, say, tell the baby to tap it nice.